Hi guys, so today we are making Urad dal, so stay tuned and enjoy the video. So the onions are getting light brown. Now we're gonna add our dry ingredients in there. We're gonna put cumin, garam masala, garlic powder, So here guys, we're gonna leave our dal on medium flame for at least 20 minutes, and after 20 minutes we're gonna check on our dal. Here after 20 minutes we're gonna add some salt to it, and we're gonna let it cook again for next 15 to 20 minutes. After 40 minutes our dal is completely done. This is completely soft. You can add more water to it if you want extra gravy in there, but in my case I just like my dal the way it is. As you can see, it has less water, but it has a more stir fry kind of a taste to it, and you guys should leave it the same way. So this is the easiest and simple and yummy recipe of Urad dal. Do try this recipe and let me know your thoughts in the comment section. I will see you guys on the next one. Until then, take care. Bye now.